In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Microsoft Teams notification using Power Automate, Microsoft SharePoint fundamentals. We're going to build a simple automation that posts to Microsoft Teams whenever a new item is added to a SharePoint list. Start by opening Microsoft Power Automate in your browser and sign in if prompted. From the left-hand menu, choose Create. This is where all new flows begin, and it helps to think of a flow as a set of actions that runs automatically when something happens. Choose Automated Cloud Flow. Automated flows start from a trigger, an event that kicks things off. So this is the perfect choice for reacting to new list items. Give your flow a clear, descriptive name so you and your team can recognize it later. Something like Notify Teams on new SharePoint item works well. In the trigger picker, search for SharePoint and select when an item is created. If you're prompted, connect to SharePoint, then confirm the site and list you want to monitor. Click Create to build the flow canvas. Next, add the Teams notification. Select New Step, search for Teams, and choose the action called Post Message in a Chat or Channel. If this is your first time using the Teams connector, you may be asked to sign in or grant permissions. Go ahead and confirm. Configure how the message should appear. Under Post As, choose whether it should come from the Flowbot or from your user identity. The Flowbot is great for automation clarity, while posting as a user can make the message feel more personal. Under Post In, decide between channel and group chat. Channels are best for team-wide visibility. Group chats work for smaller audiences. Select the team and the specific channel where you want notifications to land. Make sure you have access to that team and that the channel is active. Now compose your message. Use the dynamic content panel to pull in details from the SharePoint item, such as title, created date, or a link to the item. Keep it concise but actionable. Include what changed and what someone should do next. You can mix static text with dynamic fields to create clear, readable updates. Save your flow. To test, go to your SharePoint list and create a new item. Return to Teams and watch for the message. If it doesn't appear, open the Flows Run History in Power Automate to review what happened, verify your connections, and confirm you selected the correct site, list, team, and channel. That's it. You've connected SharePoint and Teams with an automated notification that saves time and keeps everyone informed.